My friend Nadee sent me this 3 ingredients chocolate ice cream recipe. Who knew making ice cream could be this easy? Just mix and freeze, and that's it, and it actually works. Now I make it all the time. Here is the original chocolate ice cream recipe my friend sent me.
This is the easiest chocolate ice cream recipe you will ever make. Just take 2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream and put it in a bowl. Then get your whisk and start beating it until it looks fluffy with soft peaks forming, as you see in the video here. Next, take a regular 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and pour all of it into your whipped cream. The condensed milk adds sweetness and helps make the ice cream really smooth. You do not need to add any extra sugar because the condensed milk is already sweet enough. Give it a quick mix until the condensed milk is completely blended with the whipped cream, just like this. Next, sieve in half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. I usually use Dutch processed cocoa powder. It just gives the ice cream this really nice dark chocolate taste, The flavor is smoother and richer than regular cocoa powder. Plus, it mixes in better without any bitterness. Give everything a quick mix until cocoa powder is mixed in, and you end up with this chocolate pudding mixture that looks smooth and creamy, as you see in the video here. Next, take a loaf pan or any other freezer-safe container and scoop all of your chocolate mixture into it. Spread it out flat with a spatula. The metal loaf pan works really well for freezing because it conducts cold quickly. If you do not have a loaf pan, any plastic container will work fine too. Cover it with plastic wrap and then freeze the ice cream for about 6 hours. This is the perfect amount of time to get it firm enough to scoop, but not too hard. If you need to leave it overnight, that's fine too, but you will want to let it sit out for about 10 minutes before serving so it softens enough to scoop easily. Not too soft, not too hard. This ice cream tastes amazing. It is rich and very chocolatey. The texture is smooth and creamy. You would never tell that it was made with only 3 ingredients and no ice cream machine.
If you liked this 3-ingredient chocolate ice cream recipe, then check out also these other simple ice cream recipes here. Check it out now!